This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check oxygen cylinders in an ambulance. Ensuring patient safety begins with a thorough equipment check. First, always confirm the cylinder is securely mounted and not loose. Next, verify the pressure gauge shows at least 500 pounds per square inch of oxygen. This ensures you have an adequate supply for patient care. Finally, quickly inspect the regulator and flow meter for any signs of damage or leaks. These simple steps are crucial for readiness. Understanding your oxygen cylinder's pressure and flow is vital. The pressure gauge clearly shows how much oxygen remains, with a full cylinder often indicating around 2,000 pounds per square inch. Never let the pressure drop below 500 pounds per square inch to avoid running out during transport. The flow meter allows you to precisely adjust the oxygen delivery rate, commonly set between 2 and 15 liters per minute, depending on patient needs. Always confirm the correct flow before connecting to the patient. Properly attaching the regulator and checking connections are critical for safe oxygen delivery. First, ensure the regulator is firmly seated and tightened onto the cylinder valve. Any looseness can lead to significant oxygen loss. Next, meticulously check all tubing and connections for tightness, preventing any accidental disconnections during patient care. Listen carefully for any hissing sounds. These are a clear indicator of a leak that needs immediate attention. A secure system ensures consistent oxygen flow. Routine checks are essential for maintaining reliable oxygen equipment. Before every patient transport, conduct a quick functional check to ensure everything is working correctly. This includes verifying pressure and flow. After use, always remember to turn off the main cylinder valve completely. Then, bleed the lines by briefly opening the flow meter to release any residual pressure. This practice helps prevent damage to the regulator and ensures the system is ready for its next critical use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.